seeing the world gently, one path at a time. Somewhere in this world we believe travel can be gentle and deserves to be noticed.
In the southeast of London, there is a place gently embraced by the River Thames, Greenwich Peninsula. Most people come here just for the O2 shopping mall or concerts, but if you walk slowly along the Riverside, you'll discover another little-known path. The journey begins at Now Gallery. This small yet exquisite art space changes its exhibitions often, offering new surprises every visit. Not far outside is the spectacular O2 Dome, one of London's landmarks, but today our exploration does not stop here. We continue along the Thames Path, where the water sparkles under the sun and the trail is long and peaceful. Even locals may not know about this hidden route. Soon, you'll encounter a mysterious metal sculpture, 24,859. This metal signpost points north, the number representing the Earth's circumference, reminding us that no matter how far we travel, we will eventually return here. The work, created by John Thompson and Alison Craighead in 2013, is not only an art installation but also part of the Line Public Art Trail, which follows the Greenwich Meridian, linking the local to the global. Continuing ahead, a Meridian Line milepost stands quietly by the roadside, engraved with poetry and marking the footsteps of the Millennium in 1999. Here lies another big surprise. Just a few steps away, you can stand on the free Prime Meridian line. Here, you can stand in both the Eastern and Western Hemispheres at the same time, experiencing the magic of crossing time and space, without any ticket needed. This stretch of the Thames is wide and open, and between the tides, golden sandbanks and shimmering stones are revealed. In the past, this was a dock and industrial area, with cargo ships and coal barges moving across the water. Now, many of the old warehouses and factories along the banks have been transformed into art spaces and residences, and the Riverside path has become calm and pleasant. Occasionally, you might see rowing teams passing by or white seagulls circling over the water, adding a serene and timeless charm to this urban riverscape. From art to landmarks, from a numerical mystery to the line of time, Greenwich Peninsula is more than bustling malls and concerts. It also offers a free exploration route that even locals might not know, waiting for you to discover step by step.